This tutorial will teach you to find articles on health and science databases. To find a database, access the UC Hastings Databases page. Narrow your database type to multidisciplinary research or search by keywords like science. Some of the databases we will cover are PubMed Central, Science Direct, ProQuest Central, and others. The UC Hastings Library gives you access to the contents of some of these databases. Others can be searched for free, but access to the full text of the article may be restricted. For databases not featured in our databases list, I will include a URL. We will start with PubMed Central to look at some basic research tips. Many of these, like basic searching, browsing, using an advanced search, narrowing your results, and using active links, are common to many of the databases. PubMed Central is a free, full-text archive of biomedical and life science journal literature available from the National Library of Medicine. Please note that PubMed Central is a component of the database PubMed, but PubMed features articles that require payment or interlibrary loans. You can research for articles using the basic search field in the main page. We will search for articles on ethical issues in genetic research using the keywords genetics and ethics. This basic search will bring up over 61,000 results. You can save your search from this page. I will select the second article on the list. The page that contains the text of the article provides you with several options besides reading the article. You can click on the Cited By link to retrieve a list of articles that cite this one. You can also click on the name of any of the article's authors to find more articles by that author. You can also click on the name of the journal to bring up articles published by that journal. You can click on the Related Citations link on the right side to retrieve articles on related topics. Since the results were broad, we will try to limit them. You can set limits on this search or perform an advanced search to narrow your results down. This is the Search Limiters page. Using the drop-down menu, you can limit your search to one of the many parts of an article, including the author, body, abstract, issue, and others. We will narrow our search to the abstract. Next, we will limit our search by date. We will only search for articles published in the past 90 days. We are now ready to update our search with these limiters. The system retrieved 76 articles published in the last 90 days with the words genetics and ethics in their abstract. We will now try an advanced search. Please note that once you've selected limiters, the system will retain them until they're cleared. The advanced search page allows you to combine several searches. For example, you can select to search one word in the title of the article and another word in the abstract. You can also use different connectors for these searches, like and or. Scrolling down, you can also find your search history, which allows you to duplicate any recent search. We will now conduct a search with the word genetics in the title of the article and the word law in any field of the article. Our 400 plus results will therefore be considerably more focused than the basic search for genetics and ethics that we have conducted earlier. Finally, you can browse the journals by clicking on the journals link. Browse alphabetically or search the journals page by specific keywords to find journals on that topic. Select any journal to browse it. The next database we will explore is Science Direct. Some articles are from open access journals, which are free to the public. You can click on the Health Science page or any other topic of your interest to search within a specific scientific topic. Once within a page, you can search all fields by keyword, browse the journals, or narrow to additional subtopics. After you perform a keyword search, you can use the left-hand side to narrow by additional limiters, like publication title or article date. Some articles on Science Direct will be free to the public, while others, like this article by the publisher Elsevier, will require purchase. In these cases, you can order the article via interlibrary loan. The download PDF link will help you to figure out which articles are available for download and for which only the abstract is available. We will now briefly look at other databases that focus on health, medicine, and science. Some are multidisciplinary databases that feature their own health and science pages. This is the Health and Medicine page on the database ProQuest Central. ProQuest Central is an aggregated full-text database of journal articles, magazines, newspapers, and dissertations from many fields. From the main page, search for articles with your keywords. ProQuest will suggest related searches that you can click to expand or narrow your search. The right-hand column provides limiters for source type, publication title, document type, subject, and more. The advanced search page in ProQuest looks like this. Again, you can connect assorted keyword searches in different fields with connectors like AND, OR, and NOT, and search through various parts of an article like title and author. Again, like in PubMed, when you access an article, you can expand or narrow your research by clicking live links representing different searches that use the article's author or publication. And once you access a publication, you can search within it by keywords. The Bloomberg BNA Healthcare Center provides practice-oriented news, legal analysis, and practice tools. Click on the tabs to get access to various resources, like the Healthcare Daily Reports and the Health Law Reporter. You can also search by keywords from the home page. The Public Library of Science can be found at this URL. It features open access journals on a variety of subjects. You can search specialized pages on medicine, genetics, biology, and pathogens. We have already visited PubMed Central, which is one of the several databases at the National Library of Medicine. Some journals in this library will be open access, and their articles will be free. Finally, we'll take a brief look at some multidisciplinary databases. These databases contain or aggregate articles from many disciplines, including medicine and law. The UC Hastings Library provides partial access to articles on JSTOR. This database covers general disciplines, including the life sciences. You can perform a basic search, search within your results, or do an advanced search. Elsevier is an important publisher of science articles. Their open access journal page lists journals with free articles. Just search with basic keywords or use the advanced search page. Finally, Google Scholar will help you pull articles from all across the web and across many databases, both paid and free, with direct links to the article location in the database. However, while Google Scholar provides links for articles and some text where your keywords appear, it will not necessarily provide direct access to the article. Some articles will be directly accessible as a PDF from the website. Click on the PDF link to the right to retrieve the article. However, Google also pulled a description for other articles from paid databases, and these articles may or may not be available to you. Click the link Find Article at UC Hastings to find out if the article is available at our library. The WebBridge window will list the databases that contain the article if it's available. If it's not, click the ILL link to submit an ILL request via ILLiad. It's always recommended to double-check our catalog first through Catalog Plus, just to make sure we don't have the article in print or through another format.